Hey everybody. So just wanted to share something with you that I'm starting now. It's going to be for the next year basically. I've been doing a lot of online marketing training and been loving it. And the challenge that they just gave us is to publish for the next 365 days. So kind of funny story that got me into this was it was about 9 months ago. I started talking with Lacey about kind of social media and stuff, and how we could do more with it. And we were kind of wrestling with the fact, like, should we even be on social media? What's the point of it? I don't know, for those that don't do Facebook stuff, like Facebook changes stuff, so it's really difficult to make an impact on Facebook unless you kind of learn some things and tricks. So we were just kind of talking about that. We were talking about the fact that, like we had hired some social media people to help manage things, and that kind of didn't go well. And, it was more probably our fault than anything else. We weren't creating content like we should have been. So, but, I mentioned that to her, and she actually, the reaction was surprised me. She was like, I would love for you to kind of take the whole internet thing, the website and all that, and just run with it. And that surprised me. And I think it was actually like, in the back of my mind, I realized I was holding myself back. And the reason I was because I thought that, for a long time, Lacey had a really powerful blog. It was awesome. It's still out there. It still gets hits. Lots of great articles on different things, just kind of following along in our life. At that time, we just had Naomi. So, and towards the end, you see Levi and Eliza come into the blog. But, people were loving that. And I thought that, like if I started getting more involved online, I would be pushing her out of that. And I just didn't want to do that. So I just was kind of holding myself back. And when she released that, it was like this kind of like awesome moment of like, wow, this is something that I can kind of take and, kind of create my own space. And Lacey definitely joins me in here, and we definitely participate in this together. But a lot of the like metrics of like, when do you post on Facebook or when do you post on Instagram and that kind of thing, like she's not interested in that. Like Lacey likes taking pictures and posting them on there, and I like figuring out like when's the best time to do it. So it's been just kind of a really cool journey. And so the challenge has been like, okay, for the next 365 days, post about your journey. And my idea on this is I want to post on the men's perspective in the essential oil world. And when I say that, I don't mean like how do men use essential oils, because ultimately men and women should be using essential oils the same way, right? And that's kind of one of those crazy things, because I do a lot with essential oils. People will come to me and like, how do you sell essential oils to men? And I'm like, this is ridiculous. It's men use essential oils like women. If a man has a cough, he puts essential oils on. If a woman has a cough, she puts essential oils in, right? I mean, same thing. So like I Googled it even, and I was like, kind of getting ready for some of my content ideas. And the top result for men in essential oils was men in essential oils in the bedroom. And that's like ridiculous. I mean, I can't believe that the first result is, men in the bedroom with essential oils. Yeah, guys think about the bedroom, but I mean, there's more to it than that, right? So I want to put a perspective out there of like, men can be part of the healers in their home. Men can, help their families have natural solutions. And then I just want to kind of take you guys on our journey of the Schoolhouse project that we're working on, the homestead, being a stay-at-home dad and what that looks like. So yeah, just want to kind of get you some more perspective from my side of things. Lacey will be on here a lot too, but just kind of showing you kind of, what all I do on a daily basis, how I use essential oils. I'm going to warn you, it's a lot like stay-at-home moms or anybody else that's at home, making laundry soap and hand spray and that kind of thing, making sure when kids come out of ballet class that they wash their hands with On Guard, right? So, but I just wanted to give you the men's perspective on it. And if you have any questions, any topics that you want me to cover, I'm looking for topics. I need 365 of them, right? So got a little ways to go. Post those in the comments below. If you have ideas on people that you want interviewed, I'm going to bring in some people to interview from different wellness areas. So anybody that you can think of that you think would be someone interesting to interview, let me know and we'll get them interviewed too. And Yeah, I hope you'll join me on this journey, kind of participate. We're going to do some fun things along the way. So any ideas you have, send them my way. All right, thanks.